Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Honda Accord. The brake fluid reservoir is quick to find toward the back of the driver's side of the engine bay. The level markers are easily visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. The latter even comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller for your convenience. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlights are rather difficult to service. The high beam on the passenger side will require tools to first remove the washer fluid reservoir neck before the bulb itself can be reached. The remainder of the headlights are LED, which means you must replace their entire respective housings should any of them burn out. The taillights also have convoluted access. Those in the main rear housing will require the entire bulb housing to be taken out, while those in the housing on the hatch door will require a large portion of lining to be disengaged and pried back. Both of these procedures will require tools and may end up being rather time-consuming. Both the oil drain plug and the petcock are located behind a large panel underneath the vehicle. You must work upside down while using both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers to disengage the panel, which is cumbersome to remove and won't allow for reliable oil changes or coolant flushes. Overall, the 2019 Honda Accord is a somewhat easy car to maintain, but prospective owners should be prepared for a handful of lengthy and convoluted procedures.